Hello. So ARPAP deliberation din na mo ron para sa among proposal nga to na consolidation and marketing with cold chain facilities. Then diri giheld sa Butuan, October 4, 2024.
Okay, so kung mananaw bitaw mo sa mga these projects have passed their at their level. Dili man ma-approve kung wala hindi siya endorse sa ARPA.
The members of the ARPAB. So
to be part of our discussion regarding the previous meetings.
sa project, Mr. Chair. So it is included in the presentation, Mr. Chair. Emphasized by Sir Chris to include in the proposal this is the one that the ARPAB will be deliberating on. Hopefully this will be approved by
Mga farmers, Mr. Fox, and community from the purpose of the Please, manager, proceed.
Then for the contamination. So it is a Toy Story facility. So this will be the proposed facility. The blast freezer, the pre-chilling area, then very mo gawas ang to na loading area. Blast freezer, then sulod siya sa cold storage. Kung mapunod na siya, there is a bigas. Then it will go out and this will be para doon for eventual delivery to customer.
Thank you very much, manager. And we also approve the presentation about the presentation and deliberation of proposed tuna consolidation and marketing with cold chain facilities by Mapisto is hereby approved. Congratulations to the Mapisto cooperative, and we are looking forward that you can provide a member of the final draft of your presentation.
Salamat kayo sir and ma'am. Then kani pong sa likod pa na nag-support po sa amo. Amora to. Bye!